All right, the next prince to the stage also made his name as a lyrical assassin when he emerged victorious from his last face-off. Will history repeat itself tonight? Here is Danish. Professor Nut selected this next contestant as his wild card, but tonight he will have to once again fight for his space on the show. Here is Carson Fire. Oh, okay, all right. Danish, you are first, so grab the mic, Danish. Okay, there you go. Time for face-off. Chop.
Yeah, Magnum. Him say him nah heart. Well, tonight the doctor go pronounce him dead. I want to say shell that one here again. All if I got hell, I conquer the devil. And Danish a war from my level. Meds this, yo, question. Now you have to read a man dead like dog. Now a car so fire them send figure I mag. Tonight me say a pea shot a body drop a pea shot a magnum select and a pint. Press for your friend them a say me fi shell down and cut. And me food like a fried dumpling in a gut. Lyrics I go bust up for your head up in a 10-piece. Touchy chicken I'm a not stuck. Pour more so fi shell that inspire me alone. So me walk on the stage and me pop off the chrome. Spray down the place like a pole of cologne. Sit and bite out in face like a dog to a bone. Life is faced with decisions, precisions. Me shell cause a fire and him grave that me spit on. The fool are dead already, dog in a say man. Dance all icon, me still can be one. Walk for me, for me. Walk for you, but if you just can't squeeze.
Stop it, calm down.
Ace. Circle. Where them go do? It's not accidental. I mean no mental. Okay, man. I saw them steer, man. The entrance. Me no itch. Find this squeeze and done. Send him home, give him 3 magnum. Run your yard, but a street man run. Say you are gonna kill me, say do it and done. No, when we go feed them. The Danish know me little beat them, I tell them you go. Win magnum, I tell them things you are gonna do for them. Tonight me tell you what my friend. My, fireborn child molester. Get it now your big vanish, make this get. Ever thought me brother and me sister. With me beating them, not me no cheeks, sir. Cause never left the fire, pass me the gas. Hear me no scatter, burn dirty liberty. Blaze up the entrance. Yo, remember, me no Esther Spain man, wild card.
Stop it, calm down.
Calm down. All right. So, Professor Nuts, as the rules state, if your wild card is involved in a face-off, you will not be given a vote. So, Scatter, you sure have one though. So, who will it be?
Oh my, Danish. I'm sorry. I have to give it to this brother here. He come out and him deal it. He was more composed. His lyrics was on point. You lost it. Who's Danish? I'm sorry. I don't eat Danish. I'm sorry. Danish in the black. Yeah. Okay, my boss are you win in the black. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
You see what me talking? Boy, Miss Kitty.
Well, it's a good thing my wig sit on good for my head. Big up new get shit from Leachin and Fletcher's land. Because little more, Mr. Scatter, what are we want me to show some lights in their head? You know, Sissy and Danish win the air. Ella. Relax and kill them. Revamp the song to fit the occasion completely. And you were on point, Danish. Heller. 1 and ready. Carson Fire 2 and move. Sorry. Danish has the vote. Thank you.
There you have it. Danish, yes, is back in Castle Red. Thank you so much. Carson Fire, all the best to you, Danish. Good luck, all right? Thank you.